Good morning. Hey, do you have a GE refrigerator that after you replace, USS Alabama, after you replace the water filter, it makes a goofy noise? Like that? Want me to show you why it's doing that? So some of these filters that are not GE filters are a little out of spec when it comes to, let's pop this cover off real quick here. And I'll show you the way this works. If you can see, right here is the valve that when you twist the filter on, it's a bayonet connection and the filter presses up, and there's a portion of the filter that's supposed to push on this valve. Watch what happens when I push on the valve. Well, it takes quite a bit of pressure. I can't do it that way. It does take a lot of pressure. Anyway, hold on, let me grab the filter. If you look at the top of the filter, these little ramps right here, left and right, the one here, one over here. As you twist the filter on, those ramps push up on that valve right here, and that turns the airflow or water flow on. If it doesn't push up on the valve enough, it's only partially open and you get that crazy vibrating noise that's obviously very annoying. What I did was cut a rubber washer that fits right on here. It sticks out enough that will help push the valve up. Now you could have a really thin metal washer too, that would work. But now when I turn this on, it's got a little bit more pressure against that valve, so that should get rid of the noise. The door alarm was pissed off. Nope, noise is still there. So obviously the valve is not being depressed enough. And notice the water flow is not continuous. Okay, made sure my washer was seated properly. We'll see what happens now. No weird noises. Good solid flow. No weird noises. Easy fix. Of course, an easier fix would be to buy genuine GE filters. I don't think they have the same problem, but they're 3 times the cost. Anyway, if you find that after you replace your filter, you get a weird noise, then that could be the problem.